In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Adobe Express. Whether you're preparing a photo for a website, a presentation, or a social post, resizing it cleanly makes a big difference, and Adobe Express makes the process quick and intuitive. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the home page where you can begin a fresh project. Look for the option to create a new design. This opens a blank workspace where we'll bring in your image and adjust its size. Don't worry about picking the perfect canvas yet. Our focus is on resizing the image itself. From the setup screen, go ahead and choose a sample option or template just to get into the editor. This simply gets you to the working area faster. You can change the canvas later if needed, but today we're concentrating on the image. Inside the editor, open the media panel. This is where you'll add your photo. You can browse your device or choose from connected libraries. Select the photo you want to resize. If you have multiple versions, try to pick the highest resolution one. Starting with a larger image helps maintain quality if you need to scale it down. Click the photo to place it on the canvas. When it appears, you'll see a highlighted frame around it. That's the selection box. This frame gives you direct control over the image size and position. To resize, click and drag one of the corner handles of the highlighted frame. Corners scale the image proportionally, keeping the original aspect ratio so it doesn't look stretched or squished. If you use the side handles, you'll change only width or height, which can distort the image. Use that only if you intentionally want a stretched effect. As you drag, keep an eye on how the image fits within your design. If it becomes too large and looks soft or pixelated, reduce the size slightly to restore sharpness. Upscaling a small image too much can cause visible blur. You can also reposition the image by clicking inside the frame and dragging it, which is useful if part of the photo extends beyond the canvas. For precise control, check the Properties panel. You can type exact width and height values or lock the aspect ratio before adjusting. Zoom in to inspect edges and details, then zoom out to judge the overall balance, and that's it. You opened Adobe Express, created a new design, entered with a sample option, added your photo via media, and resized it cleanly by dragging the highlighted frame. With these basics, you'll get crisp, properly scaled images